In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic. Okay, I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting if you want to earn some commission. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will share with you guys step by step how we can join Fiverr affiliate marketing business and how we can create an affiliate account like this one and start promoting affiliate links for free using free traffic without investing any money. Okay, let's get started. So it took me almost 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links every single day. I'm getting commission, and right now in my balance, as you can see over here, I have $5,125 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and in this video I will share with you guys the method that I'm using to promote affiliate links using free traffic. So let's get started. Okay, so anyways, so if you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates as a beginner, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. Okay, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission for each service. And what you will do, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page. What you need to do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, and choose your country and choose your language over here. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy. Okay, after you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and search for Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links for free. Okay, go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do, you need to open business accounts. Okay, not personal accounts. Make sure to choose Pinterest business accounts. So why I choose Pinterest? Because did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Okay, you can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Millions of people are using Pinterest every single day. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's really a lot. Okay, so anyways, so what you will do, just go back to your Fiverr homepage like this. So now I'm gonna share with you guys which affiliate link I was promoting on Pinterest. I was promoting a lot of affiliate links and I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate links. Okay, click on the search for YouTube, search for YouTube editor. Okay, search for YouTube editor. Okay, so this service is profitable. This, I was promoting this service on Pinterest. And why I choose this service, because a lot of people who has small YouTube channels, they are using Pinterest to grow their YouTube channels. Okay, those people who are using Pinterest to grow their YouTube channels, they will be interested to buy this service. Okay, video editor, to hire video editor to edit their YouTube videos. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose a good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has lots of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers are a good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I will choose this one. This one looks really good, level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews, This service is just starting from $10. A lot of people can buy this service. I will click on his service. It will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do, copy his profile link. Okay, so just copy his profile link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. Click over here on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Okay, and choose, so I will click on his picture, click on his picture. Okay, and upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, double click, save image. Okay, I will name it in editor, for example, and I will go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to Pinterest. Okay, open, and here you go. This is your picture. Scroll down, you need to put here title, description, and your affiliate link. Let's start with the title. Go back to this seller profile page, copy his title. You can use this information. Okay, that's what I do. And go to Pinterest, put this title over here, description. Go back to this profile page, scroll down, you should see over here about this gig. Okay, this is his description. Okay, I will copy this part, go to Pinterest and put this description here, scroll down, we need our affiliate link here. Okay, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Okay, scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. Okay, and it's super easy. I already have a lot. I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags or keywords. Okay, go back to this profile seller page, scroll down, keep scrolling down. Okay, so just keep scrolling down and go to related tags and copy those keywords. Okay, like this. Go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Go back and copy those. So make sure to use all those keywords. Those keywords are very important. If you have new account, you should use those keywords. Okay, go back and I will upload this. I will copy this one and I will put this one here, and after you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go, you just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. It's super easy, guys. Okay, this is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. You just need to grow your Pinterest account, get more, stay consistent, because consistency is really very important in this business. Okay, if you want to earn commission, you need to upload to promote affiliate links every single day. Okay, if you have new Pinterest account, promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. Okay, after few weeks, then you can start promoting a lot of affiliate links. You can start promoting up to 5-7 affiliate links per day. But if you have new account, start just with between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. Okay, and stay consistent, promote a lot of affiliate links. Feel free to check my other videos. I share with you guys how we can promote affiliate links on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Quora, and so much more. Okay, so feel free to check those, because for free, you just using free traffic. That's what I do with my affiliate links. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video,